Now we're going to brainstorm some solutions to figure out a design to get condiments into our coffee pouches. We've done some research and we've brought a couple of items with us to draw some inspiration from. So Ben, what have you brought?
So I brought along some toothpaste because I was looking into toothpaste squeezers, and it is something that you can clamp on the end of a tube or a pouch, and you can squeeze the fluid out using it.
All right, sounds good. And then JP, why have you brought some, what are these for?
Similar to the toothpaste idea, you could use this to roll the liquid out into these pouches.
All right. And then from our research, we know that we want to have some smaller solutions because the bigger designs don't usually make it up. So we should stick to something like these. And I think we should set aside about 20 minutes to come up with as many ideas as we can.
Yeah, I think we should use the card method where we write down as many ideas as we can on cards, and then we pass them around so we can all build and hitchhike on each other's ideas.
Cool.
All right, sounds good.
So we finished the individual part of the brainstorming. Now we should go into the passing part of the card method. So I'll set these cards here, and we'll each take a card individually, read it, and if you have an idea to change, modify, or improve it, write it on there, or ask us, and then pass it on to the next person.
And then we'll pass it all the way around, and then once we're done, we can just put it in the middle and see what we've got.
Perfect, yeah. Once your card gets all the way around back to you, we can just set it in the middle, and we can go through all the cards then.
Cool.
You have here adapter connects to pouches. What do you mean by that?
Right, so right now there's nothing to really connect two pouches to each other. There's just a connection for the potable water dispenser. So I was thinking maybe we could make something that would connect a sugar pouch and a coffee pouch.
Okay, cool.
So JP, you have written here super hot sugar. What did you mean by that?
Well, sugar is naturally just a solid, so we got to figure out some way to get it from one pouch to another. So I figured one way we could do that is to get it hot enough to where it's a liquid, so it'll travel easier.
I think that's a pretty dumb idea because the sugar would burn before it got to a liquid form.
I think we should hold off on judging for now because we just want to get all the ideas out. And I mean, the fourth rule of brainstorming is you don't judge at brainstorm.
Okay.
So let's just keep going and we'll finish at the end.
So JP, I have no idea what this is. Would you mind explaining?
This I drew out the coffee pouch there.
Oh.
And so we could maybe put the sugar or cream in a similar device as the coffee pouch, and then add water to those and maybe roll it out with a roller.
Oh, so that's the roller that
That's
you...
a roller,
okay.
yeah. Cool.
Looks good.
Should we go through all these now? As a group? And
yeah.
talk about each one?
So in summary, we've just used the card method to brainstorm. The card method involves writing as many ideas as we can on note cards and then passing them around the group so that people are able to add on, to modify your idea, to clarify what you've written, to adapt certain ideas that they had to your idea to make even another idea that can be used for brainstorming. So after passing them around, we've come up with quite a few ideas that we can use to work with.
And while passing them around, we use the scamper method. to combine, modify, and adapt some of the ideas that we had together. And so as a result, a lot of our ideas are all of our ideas combined.